Mm-hmm. Big caterpillar. Yeah, like a worm caterpillar?
No, he's not.
Oh, okay.
He's a worm.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And that's where we got to walk across right there. Yeah. Yeah. What? Oh, the power lines. Yeah. Yeah, those power lines are way up there. See, we're down in a huge hole. When it rains, these waterfalls just come shooting down here so fast. They'll be shooting all the way past this big, huge rock when they come off the mountain there. Because it rains so hard up in the mountains here. Okay, guys and gals, and everybody, we're gonna be heading back. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button so we can give you more videos. Tell us what you want next, and we'll try to get it to you. We aim to please. And they have a restaurant up there too we're gonna go to today. We're gonna go off have lunch right now, as a matter of fact. So I'll have to try to cut that into our video if I can. So hello, hello. Okay, here's the menu. So you guys know what the menu is here. Ooh. Yeah, chicken barbecue, pork belly. 202 pesos, 150 pesos, okay? You get 55 to 1, guys. Remember that.
Yellow's the mango shake. Yellow.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Hello. What do you want?
I'm gonna get the barbecue chicken.
Chicken barbecue.
Yeah, and a.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. They have also here sisig.
Yeah. Just want to get a soft drink too. What's that? Okay, well, what they have CC? You want to get for two? Get for two then.
Sisig, you want?
I don't care, fine.
That's a pork
That's okay.
and fat.
No, I gotta watch that fat for me.
Paano lang chicken barbecue na iaka? Pancit guisado isa. And then you want what do you want? Ay, you have a soda, right? I want to mango shake.
Yeah, no, I just want a soda. We'll take that one home with me. And I'll get me a soda here. Coca-Cola or Mountain Dew?
We have Sprite, Coke.
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola's good.
Isa lang din, isa ka mango shake.
Okay, so we're just gonna sit down here now and wait for our order to come in. So hopefully I can put this on pause. I do it the right way. So we will be back.